Hey gang, welcome back to another edition of Josh's Key to Better Beers. We're here today with Wiseacre. It is the Adjective Animal, and this is a double IPA out of Memphis, Tennessee. And these guys have this clocked in at, I believe, 78 IBUs. 78. Has a whopping 8.6 alcohol by volume, gang. So I've read a lot about this one. It's supposed to be really nice. It's supposed to be really tropical as well. I've heard rumors that there's like hints of papaya. So let's give it a shot. Give it a ring-a-ding-ding. This beer is also double dry hopped. It's a nice color, really foamy head. Might be because it's out of a can, but some people don't like cans. Again, I'm a can fan, especially once you pour it from the can into a glass. It's the best way for both taste and keeping it nice and carbonated. Ooh, yeah, I smell some tropical fruit right off the head. Let's get a little closer here. Oh, look out! This is weird. What are you doing? There we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah. Maybe some pineapple, maybe some grapefruit, a little bit of mango. Yeah, mango. I think I got mango on there. Down the hatch. Wow, that's pretty good. Dang, gang. That is really good. This reminds me of like a lot of New England style IPAs, and it also has like a lot of but it still has that little bit of kick of the bitterness from the hops as well that I like. But it's also super smooth. It's almost like a little bit more. I did an episode with the Grace and Grit from Great Raft, and it's almost like a more maybe papaya. Anybody here try papaya? Maybe but like papaya and Grace and Grit, and then like a little bit more hoppiness, little like pine. That little bit of pine and grapefruit come together at the very end, but it's very tropical. I'd heard rumors. Those rumors were correct. Yeah, it's also very smooth and a very well-rounded beer in general. I like this a lot. I'm gonna give this a Josh full U, half an A. Going half an A. The only thing that they could potentially do better is no, you know what? The only thing would be like a little bit smoother, but it's very smooth. I'm just being super picky. Damn, that is really good beer. Glad I opened this one tonight. If you guys want to recommend a beer for me for next time, sound off in the comments. Send me a Instagram message, all that stuff. Let me know what you want me to try that I might be able to get a hand on here in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'll take your recommendations. Till next time, gang. Sláinte.